6 a.m. and everyone is still asleep. That's why I'm whispering. But today, as promised, I'll be showing you a sneak peek of what I'll be eating and doing throughout the day. So let the day begin. It's time for my morning tea. I call it my fat burning drink. I have a link to the recipe in the description bar below. I take this tea hot in the morning, and girl, this tea is hot and wakes up my system in a way I can't explain. It's not like a magic product or something, but it works for me and it keeps me hydrated and also helps me detoxify. And now I'm on my way to the government office and cameras are not allowed. So sorry guys, I won't be showing you what it looks inside. Finally done at the government office and now at the farmer's market. I like to buy my fruit and veggies here and they only come around once a week. I also love that I can get farm fresh goods at a reasonable cost compared to what I get at other grocery stores. All done here and we walk back home. I think I walk a total of 11,000 steps in a full day. Yeah. For the mornings alone, I walk about 8,000 steps and that's like 300 calories. Who says walking doesn't count as an exercise, huh? Finally home and I'm so hungry and thirsty. I skip breakfast on a normal day, but today is different. When I'm on the move, I don't feel the hunger pangs and I just keep moving. But the moment I get home, I feel like I can eat a cow, and that's how I feel right now. Let me get something to eat. And here I am preparing the grilled chicken to go with lunch, and for lunch we're having steamed veggies and turmeric rice. And guys, I'm so excited because I love rice and I'm happy I'm having it as my first meal of the day. I know a lot of diet that say don't eat rice, don't eat bread or any type of carbs, and it actually works for those who use them. But for me, it's a no-no because it prevents me from eating some of the foods that I love. Instead, I practice moderation and portion control and also fill up my plate with rich, nutritional, and highly satiating foods, which is better for me and also sustainable. When it comes to weight loss, I think we should give ourselves some grace and a little bit of self-love and kindness because this is not a race or a marathon. It is a personal journey, and consistency and not comparison is the key. I had planned to eat some of the bananas I bought at the market, but the children beat me to it, so instead I'm having this. It's almost dinner time and we're having chicken wraps. I'll be using the veggies I bought at the market and also some of the grilled chicken I made for lunch. Believe me guys, chicken wraps or any kind of wrap is a Weight Watcher's best friend because it's easy to prepare and you load it up with lots of veggies and you're good to go. And it's also delicious. And this is what I ate for today, and even though I repeat some of my meals, I don't eat the same thing every day, and that I'll be showing you in the upcoming videos, and I hope you stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and share with a friend. It'll help me a lot. I truly appreciate. See you in the next video, and God bless. Bye.